Hello friends, Adele here from Go Balik. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the coral level of Iberostar Selection Bavaro suites in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. For a point of reference, this video was taken September 2022 over Labor Day weekend. Now, if you look on my channel, there's already a room tour, so the purpose of this video is to talk about Iberostar from an experience standpoint. In this video will be a room tour taken during the day, the coral level bar, the main lobby, the pool area, some of the beach, and the coral nursery. Now again, this video is going to be speaking about Iberostar from an experience perspective, but before I get into that, I'd love to tell you about myself. I am Adele and I love hotels. My fiance and I have been to Dominican Republic at least 8 times. In just the recent years, we've been to at least 22 all-inclusive resorts and countless hotels. So to say I am an expert at all-inclusives is kind of too big of a statement, but we have a very good knowledge of what an all-inclusive experience should look like at the 3-star mark, 4-star mark, and 5-star mark, as well as other modified formats. Summer 2021, we had stayed at the coral level of Iberostar Selection Cancun, so this trip was our second time at a coral level property. Now I'm gonna go into what to expect and what not to expect from an Iberostar property. The first thing that we've found is that Iberostars are sitting on great plots of land. Here at Bavaro Beach, the complex is on a great stretch of beach with wide enough sand so that plenty of loungers could be put out, yet there are these mature palm trees so you could find a great spot under the shade. Another thing we've noticed is that Iberostar puts a lot of concentration on dinner. So the a la carte restaurants have good quality food for dinner service. At least for the Riviera Maya and Punta Cana area, we've noticed that Iberostar has taken over structures that have been there for a good long while. Structures that have been tested through time. So Iberostar has been able to devote their entire budget on refurbishment, remodel, restyling, reimagining. So they were able to allocate the budget to the great mattress, the great bureau, the colorful details, and the fun, funky elements that make the spaces more aesthetically pleasing. Finally, here's a quick fire list of what not to expect at Iberostar resorts. A comprehensive room service menu, as there are no breakfast items on that menu. Quality forward breakfast and lunch, as those meals are all buffets. Plastic bottled water, as you will be provided glass bottles and there will be refilling stations throughout the property. A luxurious bathroom amenity kit, as there will be large containers filled by housekeeping. That is all for this video. I hope it's helped you make a decision on the Iberostar. I'd like to close with a special shout out to the Iberostar Selection Bavaro team. You guys are awesome. Thank you for inviting us back for a return stay. You're the reason why we will be coming back. We appreciate you, and then to you guys for watching my video, thanks again. Happy and safe travels.